What if I told you that right now, today, November 18th, 2025, DJI just got exposed? And the Avata 3 isn't just an upgrade. It's the drone that will make every single FPV pilot on the planet sell their current rig overnight. Promo images, full spec sheets, pricing, compatibility, everything just leaked. And it's not a rumor anymore. This is real. These are official DJI marketing photos that were never supposed to see the light of day yet. And I have them all. If you leave this video early, you are going to miss the one feature that makes this drone literally unbeatable. So do not move. Let's start with the name. Everyone has been calling it Avata 3. DJI is apparently calling it Avata 360 internally and in the marketing material. Same drone. And the reason they added 360 will make you lose your mind in about 3 minutes. First, look at this thing. The leaked promo shots show a drone that looks like the Avata 2 had a baby with a sci-fi weapon. Sleeker body, matte black finish, bigger props, but the star of the show, a full 360-degree camera sitting right on top like a crown. Not an add-on Insta360 Sphere that you strap on and pray doesn't fly off. This is native. Built-in. 8K 360 video while you fly full acrobatic FPV. Press one button on the goggles, N3 or Motion 3, and boom. The feed switches to a perfectly stabilized right-side-up frontal view, so you can rip flips, dives, power loops, and the 360 camera stays completely level, recording everything around you in 8K. Invisible props. Zero fisheye in normal mode when you want it. You get the craziest immersive freestyle footage and perfect 360 reframed content in the same flight. That alone ends the game. But DJI didn't stop there. They went psychotic with the sensors. 4 front visual sensors plus LiDAR. 2 side visual sensors. Downward and rear sensors carried over from Avata 2. This thing now has true omnidirectional obstacle avoidance with LiDAR. Not just binocular vision that fails in low light, actual LiDAR that sees in the dark. You can now fly full speed through forests, abandoned buildings, caves, night flights, and the drone will dodge trees, walls, power lines like it has eyes in the back of its head. People who have flown the prototype in the leaks say Active Track now works on motorcycles, cars, mountain bikers, skiers. Even in 360 mode, it locks on and orbits perfectly while recording every angle. Imagine skiing down a black diamond, your buddy on Avata 3 orbiting you at 80 miles per hour, recording perfect 360 footage that you reframe later into third-person, first-person, tiny planet, whatever you want, all in 8K. That footage is going to break the internet in 2026. Transmission? OcuSync 4 Plus rumored. People are reporting 15 kilometers range in testing. 15. The Avata 2 was already ridiculous at 13 kilometers. This thing is going to laugh at distance. Battery life. Leaks show the same battery size physically but higher density cells. Insiders saying 28 to 31 minutes of aggressive flight. That's almost 10 minutes more than the Avata 2 in real-world freestyle. Speed. Same 27 meters per second in manual mode as Avata 2 officially. But testers are saying the new motors and lighter frame push it closer to 140 kilometers per hour in real dives. It feels faster, more